Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to remove background in Photopea. If you have an image of which you want to remove the background, then Photopea could be the best option for you to use. If you want to use it, you have to go to the browser, search for Photopea. You will get this first link, which is the official link for the website. You will get there, and after that, you will see this interface at first. On this page, you will see this option for new project. Click onto it, and after that choose any aspect ratio based on which image you are choosing, and after that you have to simply do a drag and drop of your image. Once you have it, you will see like this. Now what you have to do is you will see the layers, make sure it is above the background, and on the background you will see this lock icon. You have to click onto it and unlock the background. On your left side, you will see different icons. From there, you have to select this one, which is object selection. If you couldn't find it, you have to go further options and select the last option, which is object selection. Then make sure you only select the part where the object is available. So once you have done it, it will take a while and it will select some part of it, but it would not do it the right way. In that case, on top you will see this option. You have to click onto it. If you have a subscription, then it will do it for free. Otherwise, it will run an ad for literally 5 to 6 seconds. You have to simply watch it, and after that it will select the object from our image. If you still find it anything wrong, like it has not captured the right way, you can click onto that option, and there you can remove or add the missing part or the unnecessary part. Once it get done, you will see the background will be removed from the image, and now you can just simply save it in png, jpg, whatever format you would like to, and the background is gone. So that's how you can remove background in Photopea. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.